Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to track your IKEA order. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in ikea.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to IKEA if you haven't done that already. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, we can see that we have the shopping, favorite products, gift registry, your account, and the search bar on the top of the screen. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and track your IKEA order. So tracking your IKEA forward is pretty straightforward. What you need to do is go to the top right corner of your screen, which we talked about earlier in this video. Click on there, and here you have your wish list, track my order, and that is basically where you need to click. Of course, you have a few options of more, but click on that, of course, and when you're here tracking your order, then you just need to put all the information about your order, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Of course, guys, until then, as always, bye guys.